This is the all-blue city of Chefchaouen, Morocco, one of the most beautiful and unique small cities I have ever been to. It starts here at this hotel, where I spent $25 for the room for the night, which included breakfast on the terrace. Afterwards, I spent the time walking around and getting lost in the city. Everywhere I turned, it was blue and beautiful. Every alleyway, another photo op. Even though I traveled solo, I was always in the company of some four-legged friends. Cats in Chefchaouen are everywhere and make up part of its charm. I decided it was time to walk around and check out the souks. Alright, let's do this one. How much?
I make you a very good price.
Very good price?
Because you
promise?
Yeah.
This
for
is
both,
perfect.
it be cheaper for you.
What do you mean?
For both. It be cheap. Like this you make happy for your girlfriend. Good.
I think just one for my girlfriend. She'll be plenty happy.
Dirham?
Yeah.
620.
620?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I just take 1 day to make.
Yeah, I know.
And this is leather. Is this no machine?
Yeah.
Stitch by hand. This stitch
Yeah.
to make this take time to make.
Okay.
Stitch no like that. Quick to make.
Yeah.
This take time to make.
It's very nice.
Yeah. It's too much for you, 620?
Can we do 400?
Make 550.
500? I have no idea what the going rate is for a lot of the items I was offered. And I'm pretty sure I paid more than I had to for the things that I bought. But it's all part of the experience. It was much colder than I expected in the mornings, so I also bought a half jalaba, which I wore for the rest of my trip.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
A jalaba is a traditional Moroccan clothing item worn to keep warm, and is commonly worn by the people of Chefchaouen. I also looked at several handmade blankets and carpets, and the people I met were enthusiastic to show me their craft. In fact, all the locals I met were all very warm and welcoming. I ended up talking with a few musicians who invited me into their shop and played music for me. These were the Ganawa people, and they introduced me to their spiritual culture. This was an amazing experience, as I had no idea about this group of people and their history before my travels. Finally, it was time to end the day by watching the sunset on the hill of the Spanish mosque. It was a short hike to the top, with plenty of mountain goats to be seen along the way up. This was a great end to my journey in the blue city of Chefchaouen, a beautiful and charming small city that I surely won't forget.